Hello, this is Alan from ToolChef. In this video, we are going to have a look at how to create an agent group node. The agent group node is the basic Atoms node in Houdini, and it's used to create a group of agents and attach behaviors to them. So let's create an agent group. You can create one using the shelf here, using this button, or from the Atoms menu. When you create an agent group, Houdini will create this geometry node here. If you go inside, you will find the agent group node. And then you also there is an output node and the DOP import node. Because here you can see there is a DOP network. In this DOP network, there is the Atoms agent solver here that takes as input all the agent group node in your scene here. In this case, I have just one agent group. So an agent group can create agents and add behaviors to them, and you can do that using behaviors modules. You need to attach multiple behaviors module to the same agent group, and every modules. So from here, for the modules tab here, you can create and attach behavior modules. The first module that you need is a layout module, and for this example, we are using the grid layout module, but there are some other layout module that I'll show you in another video. So now let's add a clip reader module that we use to use an animation clip. And then here in the module attributes, we found all the attributes of all the module we created. So for example, for the grid layout, just set our agent type we created in a previous video and just select set our work clip we created. Now just press play. We can switch and change the draw mode. Now Houdini is drawing the agents in skeleton mode, but we can switch to the mesh mode. In mesh mode, Houdini will use the proxy geo inside the skeleton, inside the agent type definition, or we can switch to the scheme version. Using the draw metadata option here, we can draw metadata values of some of the agent metadata inside the viewport. This one is useful. This one is useful if you want to debug your simulation and check the value of some metadata. And so on. Let's get back to the modules. Here there is the list of all the modules that are currently attached to our agent group. Pay attention that the order here is really important because every module is computed in a stack order. So in this case, the grid layout is computed as the first module, then Atoms will compute the clip reader module, and then all the other modules that you can attach. And you can move the module using these two buttons here. You can move module before one or after one. And then you can also obviously delete some modules. And in case you want disabled a module, you can just turn off this checkbox here. Then here in the modules attribute tab here, you will find all the attributes of each node, of each module, sorry. And all those attributes are normal Houdini attributes, so you can add keyframe, add expression, and so on. So for example here, let's add a keyframe on the frame rate, something like this. I don't know, 0. Press play. You can also check the frame rate metadata to check the value at the current frame. Then you have a couple of other options here. Like for example, here you activate the selection tool to select agents, can clear the selection. The update simulation will force the recompute of the DOP solver. Obviously, you can move your agent group in your scene as you want. And when you move something here, remember to update the simulation from here. If you are at the first frame, example like this, because if you don't update, you can have these behaviors. Basically, it's jumping because Atoms update all the attributes at the first frame. So it's really important when you change something and you don't see the agent update in a viewport, just press update sim here. That is the same command you can execute from the update simulation button here. Also, you can create multiple agent group in your scene, or you can even duplicate using the duplicate command. Here, see, update sim, press play.